Hello, welcome again to JBO. Today we are discussing on the new feature of JBO. So here is you can see we have built a meeting app inside here. So here you can use that meeting to your client. Okay. So here is ultimate meetings. Okay. So you can log in directly and we have created meetings on here. You can go to start meeting, allow use microphone, and join now. And after that you have to invite. Okay, so let's go to the new video browser and test it here. We have two browsers now. Okay, so we have join as a guest. You see here is a join. Now you join, and
and
you see
you see
the voice
the
is
word
different.
different
And
and
here
you
is a note.
is a note
You can
you
select
can
on here.
on here.
This one is
This
a
one is
share
there
screen,
is
and
and
this one is
this
a
one is
card. Okay,
okay.
and mic out.
My car
This one also mic has been mute, and you can text hello. You see here is a message, right? Now it's a cardboard. You can use the intro. Okay, so it will be share. Now you can share your entire screen. Sorry, I want to share some YouTube. Share. Now you can see here. I'm just sharing this, and now you see here is showing YouTube, right? Now I have to off. Okay, so this, right? And now you raise a hand. See, you see, okay. And this one is the recording, and this one is a setting that you can use. Okay, so now I have to cancel. Okay, so both are directly closed. Now go to dashboard. Now here is admin. You can use admin, global config, manage payment gateway. Okay, so here is all of that. It's a running server, and we have second things. We add two WhatsApp server on here, so we have to ask about later. So here is I asking after this one. Okay, so here is you see this one is a proper working on here. Okay, and it's a customer. You see, view. Okay, so now I show you user account to login. Okay, so now it will be used here WhatsApp second server. Okay, now it's in my device, single phone, not corrected. So I made iPhone where you test. Okay, HTTP test. Okay, now create. The QR is open and you have login directly with the WhatsApp web, then you can use it on here. It will be also work on here without any VPN and without any configure. This one is working, no need any config. Directly it will be connect with mobile. Okay, and we have built a one payment gateway, so we are working on this one WhatsApp payment gateway. We have to working on this one. Not inside here. Okay, and this one live chat. Live chat is
Message received.
we have to work it, but still it's not work.
Message received.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.